Imagine dedicating your entire life to fighting for justice, equality, and human dignity without ever seeking the spotlight, without ever wanting the applause that usually comes with leadership. Imagine influencing some of the most powerful movements in history, shaping strategies, mentoring generations, and yet remaining largely unknown to the wider world. That was Ella Baker, a woman whose work in the civil rights movement quietly transformed the course of American history, whose name should be celebrated far more widely, and whose story reminds us that true heroism is often unsung. Today, on Legends Without Applause, we are going to explore the life of Ella Baker, a remarkable activist whose vision and persistence changed lives while she worked in the shadows. Ella Josephine Baker was born in 1903 in Norfolk, Virginia, a time and place where the legacy of slavery still haunted daily life, and where systemic racism shaped the opportunities and dangers of every Black citizen. She grew up witnessing inequality firsthand, and from a young age, she understood the importance of community, education, and resistance. Her grandmother played a major role in her upbringing and instilled in her a strong sense of self-worth and the idea that individuals have the power to effect change. Baker carried these lessons with her throughout her life, developing a philosophy centered on empowerment, collective action, and grassroots organizing. From the beginning, Baker's path was guided by the belief that ordinary people could challenge injustice and create meaningful change. She attended Shaw University, one of the historically Black colleges in North Carolina, and excelled academically. While there, she developed a sharp political awareness, understanding that the fight for civil rights was not simply about protests or speeches, but about organizing communities, building institutions, and giving people the tools and confidence to stand up for themselves. This philosophy would define her lifelong approach to activism. Ella Baker's career in the civil rights movement spanned decades and multiple organizations, yet her style of leadership was unconventional. She did not seek personal recognition, nor did she desire to be in the public eye. Instead, she focused on strengthening the movements she served, mentoring younger activists, and building networks of people who could sustain the struggle for equality. Her work was often behind the scenes, yet it was instrumental in shaping some of the most significant campaigns for civil rights in the 20th century. One of Baker's earliest major roles was with the NAACP, where she began working as a field secretary. Her job took her across the country, particularly to the South, where she organized grassroots campaigns, helped Black communities fight against segregation, and supported local leaders who were often under threat from both social and legal pressures. She believed deeply that change must come from within communities, and that ordinary people must be empowered to speak up and act for themselves. Baker emphasized the importance of local leadership and participatory democracy, ideas that were revolutionary in a movement often dominated by charismatic national figures. Throughout her work with the NAACP, Baker recognized the limitations of top-down leadership. She understood that the movement needed structures that could sustain themselves, that would not crumble if a single leader was removed or intimidated. She nurtured local chapters, trained organizers, and created networks that connected individuals across regions. Her strategy was patient, meticulous, and focused on long-term impact rather than immediate recognition or personal glory. It was a philosophy rooted in trust, collaboration, and the belief that everyone had a role to play in shaping justice. In the 1960s, Baker's influence became even more pronounced. She played a crucial role in the Southern Christian Leadership Conference, where she worked closely with Martin Luther King Jr. and other national figures, though she consistently advocated for decentralized leadership. Baker believed that movements could not rely solely on charismatic figures. They needed the involvement, creativity, and commitment of ordinary members. She often encouraged young activists to take initiative, to trust their voices, and to lead campaigns at the local level, understanding that empowerment was both a strategy and a principle. Perhaps her most enduring contribution came through her mentorship of young activists who would go on to shape the Student Nonviolent Coordinating Committee. Baker recognized the energy, passion, and courage of young people, and she worked tirelessly to give them guidance without imposing authority. She encouraged student leaders to develop their own strategies, to challenge existing hierarchies, and to take ownership of the civil rights movement. Her philosophy was simple but profound. Change is most sustainable when it is created by those who live it, not imposed from above. Baker's work with SNCC reflected her belief in participatory democracy and grassroots empowerment. She emphasized listening to communities, understanding their needs, and providing tools and training rather than dictating actions. Her leadership style was unconventional but highly effective. She understood that social movements are strongest when individuals feel a personal connection to the cause, when they have agency, and when they believe their contributions matter. By cultivating these principles, she ensured that the civil rights movement would not be dependent on a few famous faces, but would have a strong foundation rooted in collective action. Her influence extended beyond organizational structures. Ella Baker also challenged the movement to stay true to its principles, insisting that the struggle for civil rights was not only about achieving legal victories, but about creating lasting social change. She believed that justice must be inclusive, participatory, and sustained by those who are directly affected by inequality. Baker's insistence on accountability and grassroots engagement helped ensure that the civil rights movement remained focused, resilient, and connected to the communities it served. Baker's dedication was not without personal sacrifice. She often faced hostility, threats, and exhaustion, yet she remained steadfast in her mission. She worked long hours, traveled extensively, and devoted herself to mentoring and organizing, often putting the needs of the movement above her own comfort and recognition. Her life is a testament to the power of quiet, relentless commitment and the enduring impact of service over self-promotion. Despite her central role in shaping civil rights activism, Ella Baker's name is not as widely known as those of her more public counterparts, yet her influence can be seen in the structures, strategies, and principles that guided the movement. She demonstrated that leadership is not about titles or visibility, but about empowering others, building sustainable systems, and nurturing the next generation of activists. Her approach has inspired countless organizers, educators, and community leaders who recognize the value of grassroots involvement and collaborative leadership. Baker's story is also a lesson in courage and integrity. She consistently challenged authority when it conflicted with her principles, whether within civil rights organizations, local communities, or national politics. She advocated for democratic participation, transparency, and accountability, often at the risk of criticism or marginalization. Her courage was not about dramatic gestures, but about steadfast adherence to principle, a deep commitment to justice, and the willingness to act even when recognition or reward was unlikely. One of the most remarkable aspects of Ella Baker's legacy is her mentorship. She nurtured countless young activists, teaching them not only practical organizing skills, but also the philosophy that social change must be grounded in the empowerment of ordinary people. Her guidance helped cultivate leaders who would go on to shape movements for equality, justice, and civil rights, multiplying her impact far beyond her personal actions. Through mentoring, she ensured that her values and strategies would endure, creating a ripple effect that extended across decades. Baker's life teaches us that heroism is not always loud or celebrated. She did not seek the spotlight, and she rarely appeared on television or in headlines. Yet her work was indispensable to the success of the civil rights movement. She showed that real leadership often operates behind the scenes, that empowering others is a form of heroism, and that quiet, persistent dedication can change the course of history. Her story reminds us that the people who do the most important work are not always the ones who receive the most recognition. Ella Baker's philosophy of grassroots empowerment continues to influence social movements today. Her insistence on participatory leadership, local engagement, and mentorship resonates with activists worldwide, demonstrating that her ideas were not only relevant in the 20th century, but remain vital in the 21st. Her approach teaches us that sustainable change comes from collaboration, that ordinary people have extraordinary power when organized and inspired, and that the most profound social transformations are often driven by collective action rather than individual fame. Throughout her life, Baker remained committed to justice in all its forms. She fought against racial discrimination, gender inequality, and social injustice, understanding that these struggles are interconnected. Her vision of equality was comprehensive, inclusive, and transformative, encompassing both immediate needs and long-term structural change. She believed that activism was not a series of isolated campaigns, but a lifelong commitment to creating a society in which everyone could live with dignity, freedom, and opportunity. Ella Baker's story is a testament to the enduring impact of unsung heroes. She reminds us that heroism is not measured by awards, recognition, or public acclaim, but by the tangible, lasting differences one makes in the lives of others. Her legacy is evident in the strengthened communities, empowered leaders, and successful movements that she helped cultivate. She exemplifies the idea that true influence often operates quietly, patiently, and with unwavering integrity. As we reflect on Ella Baker, we see a life defined by service, courage, and vision. She understood that true change requires more than passion. It requires strategy, patience, and a commitment to empowering others. She demonstrated that ordinary people, when organized and inspired, can achieve extraordinary outcomes. Baker's work was about creating systems, nurturing leadership, and ensuring that the fight for justice was sustainable and inclusive. Her story is a model for anyone who wants to make a lasting difference in the world. In honoring Ella Baker, we honor the countless unsung heroes who dedicate themselves to the service of others without seeking applause. Baker's life teaches us that real power comes from empowering others, that the most meaningful change is collective, and that heroism often thrives in the shadows, away from public recognition. Her legacy continues to inspire activists, educators, and leaders who understand that true leadership is about lifting others, not oneself. Ella Baker was more than a civil rights activist. She was a visionary, a mentor, and a strategist whose work quietly shaped history. Her story reminds us that heroism is about action, courage, and dedication, not fame or recognition. She serves as a powerful example of how one individual, committed to principle and service, can create lasting change and inspire generations long after they are gone. Her life is a lesson in humility, persistence, and the transformative power of empowering others to lead. And so, here on Legends Without Applause, we celebrate Ella Baker, a woman whose influence helped shape the civil rights movement, whose dedication to justice and equality impacted countless lives, and whose example continues to guide those committed to building a fairer world. Her story reminds us that the greatest heroes are often those who work tirelessly behind the scenes, who empower others, and who dedicate themselves to the service of humanity without seeking applause. Ella Baker was one of those heroes, and her legacy endures as a beacon for all who believe in justice, equality, and the power of collective action.